Hello students of class 5A and B. This is Rajni Vinit, your moral science teacher. How are you all? Hope you all are staying at home and using your every time by doing studies and learning good work. In the first chapter of moral science, I taught you about dignity of labor. I hope that you know about the story that I taught you. Now this story is also about dignity of labor. So the first thing is, what is the word of dignity? The word of dignity means quality of being worthy of honor or respect. So the title of this chapter tells us that we should give respect to any types of work or labor, whether it is high level or low level. Here I am again going to narrate or tell you a beautiful short story, and the story is also based on dignity of labor. Students, listen this short story attentively and respect all types of work. Do not hesitate to do any low level of work. So let's start. One sunny morning, a well-dressed man got down from the train. He was looking for a porter. Here, a porter means a person who helps to carry luggage. This man was looking a porter who carry his two suitcases. Both the suitcases had very less things and they could have been easily carried by him. But he was thinking that it was below his dignity to lift the suitcases by himself. While he was waiting for a porter, a simple man approached him and asked him where did he want to go. As this man was wearing simple clothes and took him to be a porter, he told him to take him to Sri Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's house. This simple man picked up the two suitcases and started walking towards Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's house. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a learned scholar of Sanskrit and a great social reformer, and the man had come to visit him to learn his knowledge of Sanskrit. When they reached the house, the man asked the porter to inform Sri Vidyasagar about his arrival. Then the man who carried his luggage told him that he himself was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. On hearing this, the man was very ashamed. Vidyasagar said to the man that doing your own work never puts you down. Now the man had learnt the lesson which Vidyasagar had set to teach him. Therefore, it has been told to respect all types of work, whether it is a big or small. We should do with honesty and respectfully, without feeling ashamed. So, dear students, try to do all types of work at your home also, with honesty and respectfully. Never feel ashamed by doing any types of work. Now, chapter 1 is over. We have learnt by these two short stories that doing any work of either big or small do not make us or put us down. Students, you all listen the video carefully and answer the question. Questions will be given on Teno app. Listen the video again and again and then answer the question in your moral science only. Till then, goodbye.